Good morning students. Today we will discuss some more questions related with the brain teasers and HOTS question. So brain teasers, I have taken one interesting question. Question number 7. Question is this: cube root of this expression divided by this is the square root only and minus 1. So this is cube root sign, this is square root sign. So first of all, whenever you see decimal question, remove the decimal. So we know that this numerator and denominator, these are the like terms, 0 to 7, after decimal here 008. So automatically this decimal place, this will be removed each other because same number of places are there. So this will come cube root of 27 upon 8 as 1 2 3 place, 1 2 3 place. So this decimal will be removed. Here also this is like decimal places, 09 04 means 2 place 2 place. So here also this will be converted into 9 upon 4. So in first step we have removed the decimal places. Now you see this is the cube root of 27 upon 8. So 27 prime factorization is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, and 8 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. And here this 9 is square root only. This is only square root. So 3 multiplied by 3, 2 multiplied by 2. Then this, out of this 3, 1 we will write outside because this is cube root, and out of this 2 3 2's, 1 2 will come, and since this is square root, so out of these 2 1 3 will outside, and these 2 multiplied by 2 1 2 will come because this is square root and this is cube root. So 3 upon 2 divided by 3 upon 2, this answer will be 1 because same number dividing each other. So this is 1 minus 1, this minus. So 1 minus 1, 0. Now HOTS question number 1. This is also very interesting question. Here cube root of 288 into, in between no sign means multiplied, by cube root of 72. This, and you remember this is the inside this cube root symbol, and inside 72 multiplied by cube root of 27. This way it is given. So how we will solve? First of all, we will solve this. We will find the inside cube root of 27. So cube root of 27, as you know, the answer of cube root of 7 is 3 because 3 into 3 into 3 27. So this answer we know, this 3. So in next step I have written this is from here as it is, this cube root of 72 as it is, and in between here no sign means multiplication was there. So this will be 72 and this answer is 3. So take care here, 72 multiplied by 3. Now this 72 and 3 first of all we will solve now. So this 72 into 3, how we will solve? Cube root sign is there. So out of 3 we will take 1 1. So 72 prime factorization I have written here. 72 prime factorization is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So up till here this is the prime factorization of 72, and these 3 is of these 3. Up till here this is the cube root of prime factorization of 72, and these 3 is came from here. Now we observe here this is cube root symbol again. So this from one group, one outside, and these 3 outside. So 288, and here also no sign means multiplication is there. So 288 into, see here carefully, these 2 and these 3. So now this is only one expression, cube root of 288 into 2 into 3. So next step 288, their prime factorization is up till here. This is the prime factorization of 288. From here to here, this is the prime factorization of 288. And this 2 and 3 is of this 2 and 3. So now we will rearrange because we have to find the cube root. So after rearranging all 2's I am writing together. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. And how many 3's are there? 1 2 3. 1 2 3. So from 6 there will be 2 groups of 2. So I have written this group from here 1 2, this 1 2, and from this group 1 3. So we can see here our answer is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 means 12. So this is the answer of this question, and this is very interesting question. Okay.